Hindi Mini Bites brings you this hint sheet, which will help you remember all the alphabets in Hindi using emojis. So let's get started. First one, kite. Kite is related to two letters, k and k. Soft sound k and forceful sound k. I have highlighted the forceful sounds in bold. Let's move on to the next one. Girl, g, gh. Soft g and forceful gh. The forceful letter is in bold. Next one. Chair, ch, ch. I repeat. Chair, ch, ch. Next one. Jug, j, jh. I repeat. Jug, j, jh. Next one. When we put a dot below j, it becomes z, as in zebra. Z, z. Next one. Tomato, t, th. I repeat, t, th. Next one. Diamond emoji can be related to 4 letters. The ones highlighted in black are soft d and forceful dh. I repeat, d, dh. The ones highlighted in blue are retroflex letters. Retroflex letters are those which are pronounced with a rolled tongue touching the roof of the mouth. So soft d with a dot below becomes d. Notice the difference, d, d. And the forceful dh with a dot below becomes dh. Notice the difference, dh, dh. Let's move on to the next one. Thunder is related to 2 letters, th, th. Forceful th sound is highlighted in bold. So it's the, th. This, the, dh. I repeat, the, dh. Pen, p, ph. Soft p, forceful ph. When we put a dot below ph, it becomes f, as in flower. F. Boy, b, bh. Soft b, forceful bh. Mango, m, m. Yellow, y, y. Red, r, r. Lemon, l, l. Violin, v, v. Sun, s, s. Hat, h, h. Nest is related to 2 letters. The one in black is normal n, as in nest. The one in blue is the retroflex rolled tongue sound, which is n. Notice the difference, n, n. Shoe is related to 2 letter sounds. The one in black is normal sh, as in shoe. The one in blue is the retroflex rolled tongue sound, which is ch, ch. Notice the difference, sh, ch. Tree, thr, thr. Shrink, shra, shra. As in up, a. As in car, car. Notice the add-on symbol a to the consonants. In this example, the add-on symbol to k makes it sound like ka, ka. Next one. A as in ink. Notice the add-on symbol. E as in see. E. E. O as in book. O. O. Notice the add-on symbol. R is the only letter which does not follow the normal add-on symbol rule for O. It is written in a different way as highlighted. Oo as in cool. Oo. Notice the add-on symbol. Again, R is the only letter which does not follow the add-on symbol for oo. It's written in a different way as highlighted. Roo. Roo. A as in say. A. A as in pear. A. A. O as in go. O. O. Ow as in cow. Ow. Ow. Remember these letters with the add-on symbol. Un, on, aw, re. I repeat. Un, on, aw, re. Remember these letters. Nasal ng, ng. Nasal nya, nya. Sh, sh. Gya, gya. And when we add this symbol below any consonant, it makes it a half sound. Example here, ch becomes ch, ch. We have reached the end of this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and share it with your friends who wants to learn Hindi. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.